Next topic is 1.5.4 multiplicative identity. We know that 1 is the multiplicative identity for whole number. Check that 1 is the multiplicative identity for integers as well. Observe the following products of integers with 1. Minus 3 into 1 is equal to minus 3. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. Minus 4 into 1 is equal to minus 4. 1 into 8 is equal to 8. 1 into minus 5 is equal to minus 5. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 1 into minus 6 is equal to minus 6. 7 into 1 is equal to 7. This shows that 1 is the multiplicative identity for integers also. In general, for any integer a into minus 1 is equal to minus a, minus 1 into a is equal to minus a. That is a into 1. You can say a into 1 is equal to a is equal to 1 into a. What happened when we multiply any integer with minus 1? Complete the following. 0 is the additive identity, whereas 1 is the multiplicative identity for integers. We get additive inverse of an integer a when we multiply by minus 1 to get a, that is the to a, that is a into minus 1 here. A into minus a is equal to minus a, and minus 1 into a is equal to also minus a. Now minus 3 into minus 1 is equal to 3. 3 into minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Minus 6 into minus 1 is equal to 6. Minus 1 into 13 minus 13. Minus 1 into minus 25 plus 25. 18 into minus 1 is equal to minus 18. What do you observe? Can we say minus 1 is the multiplicative identity of integers? No. Because it changes the sign of the integers. Now 1.5.5 associativity of multiplication. Consider minus 3, minus 2 and 5. Look at in bracket, middle bracket, minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 2 bracket close into 5, and minus 3 into in bracket minus 2 into 5. In the first case, minus 3 and minus 2 are grouped together, and in the second case, minus 2 and plus 5 are grouped together. So value of one is 30 and second one is 30. So we get the same answer in the both the cases. Thus minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 5 is equal to minus 3 into in bracket minus 2 into 5. Look at this and complete the product. So does the group of integers affect the product of integers? No. That means all the value of both the sides will be equal. In general, for any three integers a, b and c, a into b in bracket grouped, a and b are grouped together into c is equal to a into in bracket b into c. Take any 5 values of a, b and c each and verify this property. Just like whole numbers, the product of three integers does not depend upon the grouping of integers, and this is called the associative property for multiplication of integers. Next point is 1.5.6 distributive property. We know 16 into in bracket 10 plus 2, that is a 16 into 10 plus 16 into 2, distributivity of multiplication over addition. Let us check if this is true for integers also. Observe the following. Minus 2 into 3 plus 5 is equal to minus 2 into 8 is equal to minus 16, and minus 2 into 3 plus minus 2 into 5 is equal to minus 6 plus minus 10 is equal to minus 16. So minus 2 into 3 plus 5 is equal to minus 2 into 3 plus minus 2 into 5. B, minus 4 into in bracket minus 2 plus 7 is equal to minus 4 into 5 is equal to minus 20, and minus 4 into minus 2 plus minus 4 into 7 also minus 20. So both are equal. In C, can we say that the distributivity of multiplication over addition is true for integers also? Yes. In general, for any integer a, b and c, a into in bracket b plus c is equal to a into b in bracket plus a into c both in bracket, that is ab plus ac. Take at least 5 different values for each of A, B and C and verify the above distributive property. Try these. There are some missing place, missing no missing is there. You have to find out the result of solution of the given two questions. Now consider the following. Can we say 4 into in bracket 3 minus 8 is equal to 4 into 3 minus 4 into 8? Let us check. The value is minus 20 and 20, so we can say both are equal. Look at the following here. Again, if some questions are there, you will get that value is remain same. You will find that these are also equal. In general, for any three integers a, b and c, a into in bracket b minus c is equal to a into b minus a into c, that is ab minus ac. Take at least 5 different values for each of a, b and c and verify this property. Try this. There are two questions, you have to solve it. Next point is 1.5 into 7, making multiplication easier. Consider the following. We can find minus 25 into 37 into 4 as minus 25 into 37 both grouped together in bracket into 4 is equal to minus 925 into 4, that is the minus 3700. Or we can do it this way. Again you will get the minus 25 into 37 into 4 is equal to both equal to minus 3700. Which is the easier way? Obviously the second way is easier because multiplication of 25 and 4 gives minus 100, which is easier to multiply with 37. Note that the second way involves commutativity and associativity of integers. So we find that the commutativity, associativity and distributivity of integers help to make our calculations simpler. Let us further see how calculations can be made easier using this property. Question number 2. Find 16 into 12. 16 into 12 can be written as 16 into 12. 16 into 12 we can write here 16 into 10 plus 2, that is 16 into 10 plus 16 into 2, that is 160 plus 32, that is the 192.